What's up, traders? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of GBP USD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have in this instrument. Now, GBP USD on the 4-hour time frame, we see a significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss what it is, let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis. Then we'll come back to this time frame to see how we can trade GBP USD. Now, starting with first of all, bigger picture monthly time frame as usual. Now you see that GBPUSD over the long term is in a bearish move. As you can see, this is a long-term downtrending market. Every month, the price was creating a series of lower high and lower low. We see that this is a strong downtrending market. Followed by the past month, we have seen a textbook monthly doji has been formed. Now in that doji, what we see that the price monthly price action has just broken the top of this doji and then retreat back to this level. And what we can expect now, GBPUSD to continue to drop as this is the long term bearish market, and we can expect a drop further to the downside. Now, what level we can expect GBPUSD to fall? At least we can say that 50% of this long doji in the first move to take that. If we see that from the opening of this doji to this level, we can expect now GBPUSD to fall back to this support zone at least, which can give us a really good trading opportunity as on the lower time frame. Now looking at the weekly, we see that there is a already after the back-to-back 2 weeks rejection from the top, we have seen the price has created lower high on the weekly perspective and then created a rejection candle on the weekly time frame. Now as soon as this weekly close, we have seen the prices started to drop to the downside, and we can expect GBP USD to continue to drop. Now, daily perspective, we see that on the daily time frame, the price action is now fully bearish. What we see, there is a lower high on the daily time frame has been created, long-term downtrend, and then yesterday we have seen this green doji has been broken to the upside, grab liquidity, and then close this current candle, the previous day's candle, as a bearish engulfer. So this is a sign of strong drop on GBP USD. The only thing is that currently the price action is facing this very important level of support. There is a gap opening here, and we see the price is facing this gap on this support. So to break this support, we GBPUSD might need to grab some liquidity. In that case, we might see a spike to the upside, probably along this daily 20 period moving average, which is a probability. Now let's see on the intraday time frame how we can see this movement on the lower time frame. Now if you look at the 4-hour, we see that in that zone already there is a 4-hour 20 period moving average which has been tested here with this two long week candle on the 4-hour, creating a series of lower high, and also we see a head and shoulder in this zone as well. So based on how this current candle is closing may give us a significant trading opportunity, but the best way that I will be waiting for this current 4-hour candle is to create a false breakout to the upside, probably break this red candles high, testing this 20 period moving average, probably testing this daily 20 period moving average, and then closing back below as a bearish engulfer. This is one probability. Another probability is to close as a strong bearish engulfer, probably a middleman. In that situation, if it satisfies all the rules of our strategies, then we'll consider going short on GBPUSD to the downside with a high risk to reward ratio with our students. And if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't forget to drop a comment below to help this idea. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.